Hi everybody and Happy New Year. I'm Mark Jacobson with an MGM Minute for the week of January 2nd, 2023, coming to you from Park MGM right in the Las Vegas Strip. Here's what's happening across MGM Resorts International. As of January 1st, BetMGM Sports Betting will have officially arrived in Ohio. The launch allows customers in the Buckeye State to watch and wager at the new BetMGM Sportsbook at MGM Northfield Park, located just outside of Cleveland. It also allows them to place bets at the new BetMGM Sportsbook at the Great American Ballpark, home of the Cincinnati Reds. Additionally, sports fans based in Ohio can now download the mobile app and place wagers with BetMGM from anywhere in the state. BetMGM's integration with MGM Rewards provides BetMGM users with the opportunity to redeem their gameplay for experiences at MGM Resorts properties nationwide.
Our customers have been asking us since we opened up the construction of the BetMGM Sportsbook when they're going to be able to make a bet, and now the day has come. They're excited to come in and bet on their home teams, whether it's the Browns, the Guardians, the Cavaliers, or the Ohio State University. They're anxious and ready to go. This is a game changer for us. It's got a new pipeline of customers coming in, and we can't wait to take great care of them.
In other news, MGM Resorts welcomes the Consumer Electronics Show, otherwise known as CES, back to Las Vegas January 5th through the 8th. Mandalay Bay and Aria will once again serve as two of the official host locations, with meetings and events taking place at several other MGM Resorts properties as well. The annual trade show is organized by the Consumer Technology Association. CES features panel discussions, presentations, and unveilings of new technology and products that will help shape a variety of industries.
I think the fact that CES is back with over 100,000 attendees and over 3,000 exhibitors truly shows the value of face-to-face. Companies want to demonstrate their products, show off what's coming, and attendees are excited to come and learn. MGM Resorts is going to house not just rooms, but food and beverage, meetings, events, exhibitions, our media event, and we cannot wait to show off all MGM Resorts has to offer to this important group.
Shifting gears now, the Fan District at Mandalay Bay and Luxor will be up and running for a big weekend of football excitement in Las Vegas. The next Legend Meet and Greet is scheduled for Saturday night, January 7th at Centra inside Luxor. On Sunday, January 8th, ahead of the pro football matchup at Allegiant Stadium, food trucks will be stationed in the fan lot from 10:30 a.m. until 1:30 p.m. Inside Mandalay Bay and Luxor, guests will find photo ops with the cast of Fantasy, jersey giveaways, food and drink specials, and more. The Fan District is just a short walk away from Allegiant Stadium. Also, MGM Resorts just wrapped up a full year as an official partner of Chefs for Kids and the Cooking Up Breakfast Chef de Cuisine program. Chefs for Kids works with the community to deliver fresh meals and nutritional education directly to Las Vegas classrooms. With the help of a $30,000 gift from MGM Resorts, Chefs for Kids cooked for more than 4,000 students and staff at 7 elementary schools during 2022. The organization was also able to make repairs to its chef mobile. Some meals for the program were prepared and served by chefs and volunteers from several MGM Resorts properties, including Mandalay Bay, Luxor, the Cosmopolitan of Las Vegas, MGM Grand, and Aria. Heading out to Atlantic City, New Jersey now, MGM Resorts Borgata Hotel Casino and Spa unveiled the results of two extensive renovation projects that have been developing since early fall. This past week, Old Homestead Steakhouse welcomed guests back to a redesigned multi-floor dining room and expanded bar. The new look takes inspiration from Old Homestead's flagship location in New York City, with original artwork and photography adorning the walls. Borgata also welcomed guests back to its newly renovated high-limit slot lounge. The 8,300 square foot Miralto houses multiple hand-blown glass chandeliers, the most notable of the collection spanning 100 inches in diameter and comprised of nearly 3,500 individually cut pieces of glass. And finally, MGM Resorts continues to recruit and hire new employees across the country. Interested candidates can apply for a variety of positions by visiting the MGM Resorts hiring events page. The event page is updated frequently and can be found at careers.mgmresorts.com. And for more information on any of these events or happenings, feel free to contact us at media@mgmresorts.com. Have a great week.